एक होता है दिल टूटने वाला हार और एक होता है शर्मनाक हार. You are heartbroken when your team has given 100% efforts. Bowlers, batters, fielders, everybody has given 100% effort, 200% efforts, and at the last moment the better team has won. So you're heartbroken. And shameful defeat is such that your team has absolutely been pathetic and has been absolute laughing stock among the whole world. And after losing, still now you're not sure that whether you are going to win the upcoming matches or not. Means the batting, bowling, fielding, each and every department of cricket has been a complete nuisance and has been a complete failure. It is a disgrace. The team, Indian cricket team, has absolutely brought shame to the nation. Shame to the nation. This is the honest fact, harsh reality, and people has to accept it. Wake up and accept it. It's a disgrace. That's it. It's a disgrace. Same Kachada performance against Pakistan, and people said that it's just a game. For me, it's not just a game. India versus Pakistan will never be a game. In next 50 years also, it will not be just a game. It's more than a game. That Kachada performance, benefit of the doubt, people has given. It said that India will come back. But worst performance, more worst performance has been shown yesterday against New Zealand. More worst performance. No improvement, nothing. No improvement, nothing. More worst it has become. Means at least against Pakistan, we could bring some positives. Like Virat Kohli's innings, Rishabh Pant's innings, some positives was there. Yesterday's match, there was not even a single positives. This type of performance are just not accepted from Team India, which is having the richest board, the most number of fans, cricketing fans, and which is having costliest cricketers, means costliest players. Each and every player's net worth, you should just go and surf and compare it with the remaining rest of the world. And you should see the economy of cricket of this country. So this is just not accepted. This is just not accepted. And whom to blame, people are saying. After Pakistan match, people were blaming Mohammad Shami. I really don't know what was wrong. Means whole bowling department had to be blamed. Not just one person, whole bowling department. But yesterday's performance, whole team, including the management, including the selectors, including each and every one has to be scrutinized. Each and every one. It looked like as if batting भूल गया यार पूरा टीम. मतलब बैटिंग भूल गया, मतलब टाइमिंग नहीं लग रहा है, मतलब बॉल, मतलब 7 to 15 overs, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल बाउंड्री हैज कम मैन, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल बाउंड्री. मतलब पूरा डर डर के खेल रहा है भाई. Even against Pakistan, the way Bhuvaneshwar Kumar and all those bowlers bowled, it was not like they were not in the intention of picking up wickets, you know. They were not in the intention of picking up wickets. They were intention of just being protective and saying that, अरे भाई, I will bowl cutters, please don't hit me for a 6 or a 4. I'll bowl cutters. Conservative approach. Yesterday batsman has shown conservative approach, and against Pakistan bowlers have shown conservative approach. Yesterday runs only was not there in the board, so what will the bowlers do? We really can't blame the bowlers also. Means nothing, absolutely nothing. It looked like as if after losing the toss, match is lost, we are going home, boss. That's all it is. Now 3 questions, tough questions has to be asked to the team management first of all. 3 tough questions. First of all, Hardik Pandya's selection. What is the selection criteria of selecting Hardik Pandya? You first tell me. Means this Virat Kohli has introduced yo-yo test. Means yo-yo test, fitness test he has bought in. Good. Players should be fit. Players should be rough and tough. I agree with him. I agree with the yo-yo fitness test. But Hardik Pandya is not 100% fit. Hardik Pandya is not 100% fit. It looked like that. Means batting also. Means first match against Pakistan he's playing as a specialized batsman, so-called specialized batsman whose strike rate is below 100 in a T20 match. What a specialized batsman, brilliant batsman. Question was asked before the Pakistan match, is Hardik fit enough to play as a specialized batsman? Then captain has said that we have not seen a match winner at number 6 other than Hardik Pandya. He is better than Kapil Dev. Like that attitude and charisma, Virat Kohli has shown the confidence in Hardik Pandya, has shown full confidence. Like we have not seen a match winner like Hardik Pandya at number 6 for Team India's history, in the history. Okay, at number 6 you have not seen a match winner like Hardik Pandya, I agree. Very good backing. This much of backing is required. Means this much of backing is definitely required. But I'm afraid against Pakistan, Hardik Pandya didn't even come out to bat at number 6. He has come out to bat at number 7. मतलब एक चीज आप मीडिया के सामने कहते हो और दूसरा चीज आप मैच में करते हो. मतलब इतना कंफ्यूजन क्यों है मालूम नहीं है. इतना क्लूलेस क्यों है टीम मैनेजमेंट मुझे पता नहीं है. मतलब क्या हो रहा है मालूम नहीं, क्या तमाशा चल रहा है, क्या नौटंकी चल रहा है मुझे मालूम नहीं है. मतलब पूरा तमाशा चल रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नौटंकी एंड तमाशा टीम इंडिया हालत इज इन दिस कंडीशन. आज ये हालत है इतना नौटंकी और तमाशा के लिए. मतलब क्या हो रहा है मालूम नहीं. एंड बिफोर दिस T20 वर्ल्ड कप, हरभजन सिंह भज्जी, आई रेस्पेक्ट अ लॉट. आई रेस्पेक्ट टर्बोनेटर एज अ प्लेयर अ लॉट. Huge respect to him. But as a Pandit, I'm sorry, unacceptable. He's saying that हम walkover दे देंगे against पाकिस्तान, हम walkover दे देंगे, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे, बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो रहा था. Means this type of overconfident statements brings lot of pressure to the players. So being a former player, you should understand that. And Harbhajan Singh, after losing against Pakistan, he's saying that as a Pandit, sports expert, he's saying that Hardik Pandya is taking 4 injections and each injection's recovery time is 3 days. So 12 days total. 4 into 3, 12 days total it takes for the total recovery. He's telling like that, he's talking like that. So after so much recovery and after being in so much pain, he's giving his 100% and playing for the team. For that, fans should show some support and fans should show some empathy. भाई क्यों दिखाए भाई? मतलब हार्दिक पांड्या के ऊपर क्यों दिखाए? मतलब did he score 20 balls 50 runs or with the ball did he take a hat trick or did he take a 4-wicket haul in a T20 match that we should show some sympathy और सर पे बिठाए? मतलब क्या है वो 100% फिट ही नहीं लगा. 100% फिट ही नहीं लगा. और अगर फिटनेस नहीं है तो योयो टेस्ट का क्या मतलब है, योयो फिटनेस टेस्ट का क्या मतलब है मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. समझाओ कोई. मतलब पूरा क्लूलेस है टीम मैनेजमेंट और इतना तमाशा और इतना नौटंकी कर रहा है कि पूछो मत. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज दैट हार्दिक पांड्या's this issue is not only hampering the team, not only hampering Team India, not only hampering the nation, it's also hampering his career. With so much pain and injury, if a player is putting out so much force and is forcing himself to play, then we'll get a news saying that Hardik Pandya at the age of 30 has had to quit cricket due to life-threatening injury. Means मतलब उसका करियर भी डुबा रहा है, पूरा टीम को भी डुबा रहा है. सोचो भाई, as a professional player you should understand these things. Second reason is absolutely shocking. Means I don't have any words what to say, man. I really don't have any words. Means the media has absolutely baited Virat Kohli. Absolutely baited him. Like comedy, biggest comedy. He said that outside noise doesn't matter. Whatever people say on social media, घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. टीम फोकस्ड है, टीम एक प्लान एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, गेम प्लान है, हम लोग एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे. मतलब what is the game plan? Still now after 2 games I didn't understand what plan was it. Really I didn't understand. Such was the game plan. So he said after that Pakistan match, one journalist has asked him one question saying that will you drop Rohit Sharma and play Ishan Kishan? Do you think left and right hand combination will really work at the top of the order? Because Rohit is facing difficulties in playing left arm bowlers. So he laughed and said that this is a stupid question and left it. But yesterday's match, seriously he dropped Rohit Sharma. He dropped Rohit Sharma and played Ishan Kishan and KL Rahul. Means left and right hand combination he has played. This is absolutely shocking. This is absolutely shocking. Means मीडिया में एक चीज कह रहे हो और मैच में एक चीज कर रहे हो. मतलब क्या है गेम प्लान, क्या है एग्जीक्यूशन? अगर गेम प्लान ही नहीं है क्या करोगे एग्जीक्यूशन? Oh my God, man, this was the peak. And then Rohit Sharma came one down. Ishan Kishan, God only knows, he couldn't find the gaps and hit straight to the man. Then Rohit Sharma also came. He got a lifeline. Means Rohit Sharma, who has scored so much runs at the opening, top of the order, he's coming one down. And Virat Kohli, because of that, Virat Kohli, previous match, who has scored 50 runs, had to play himself at number 4. He's not playing at number 3. So पूरा बैटिंग ऑर्डर पूरा डिसमेंटल कर दिया. पूरा बैटिंग ऑर्डर में ये है हमारा टीम का गेम प्लान और ये है हमारा टीम का मैनेजमेंट. वाह वाह, बढ़िया भाई, बढ़िया, बहुत जबरदस्त मैनेजमेंट, बेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एवर आई हैव सीन. टू गुड, सुपर. ओ माय गॉड, मतलब पूरा मैच के बाद पूरा बैटिंग ऑर्डर डिसमेंटल कर दिया. मतलब एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं इतना बड़ा मैच में. रियली शॉकिंग. Then third thing is that they failed to read a pitch yesterday. It was not even a 170 wicket. This match, toss is playing a factor, I agree. Toss is playing a big factor. But that doesn't mean that you'll play so bad, so pathetic you'll play. Afghanistan played against Pakistan. Just look at them. They at least have a plan that we'll win the toss and bat first, put runs on the board, then our world-class spinners will look after the score, will defend the score. That is a game plan, right? That is a game plan. This India team didn't even have a game plan. Forget about execution. So that's why I'm really scared that next match what will happen. Clueless, man. Absolutely clueless. And bowling looked absolutely ordinary. Very ordinary they looked. Apart from Bumrah, none of the bowlers looked threatening. None of the bowlers. Average bowling, average bowling. And this is bound to happen. Third, and the main reason why it's bound to happen is that you're not playing a leg spinner. Leg spinner speciality is that even if they get hit for sixes, okay, sixes and fours, if they get hit, they'll pick up wickets. They'll pick up wickets. They are brave bowlers. So you're not picking up a leg spinner. How will you pick? You sent your best leg spinner in India to India. Chahal is in India. So you are not picked your best experienced leg spinner, and you have picked up Rahul Chahar, who is there just to warm the bench. Each and every team, top teams you see, England is playing Rashid. Then Afghanistan is having two leg spinners. Then Pakistan is having Shadab. Then Australia is having Zampa. Then this team, who is that? Sri Lanka is having Hasaranga. Each and every team is having a leg spinner in their team. Then New Zealand is having Sodhi. So leg spinner is obvious option in these conditions. This one 50% I blame the selectors. What is the selectors doing? What is their role? What type of selection is this? Really, God only knows. Nuisance, man. Nuisance. And Afghanistan match is going to be a very crucial match. If that match is also gone, means if that match also India loses, मतलब पूरा नाक कटा देगा भाई. पूरा नाक कटा देगा. Then the selectors position also will be at the questionable. Means then the selectors also will be getting sacked. Anyway, Virat Kohli and Ravi Shastri, anyway they are leaving from their roles, they are resigning. The selectors also will have to resign if they lose to Afghanistan. Seriously. What type of nonsense is this, man? Really ridiculous, man. Absolutely ridiculous. And anyways, if you win against Afghanistan also, you lost two most important matches. Two most important matches, and you have not just lost, you have lost it in an embarrassing fashion. Shamefully you have lost. You have put the whole nation head down, man. Everybody is so disappointed. After a long time, so much hype this tournament was. We were the hosts. So much hype. Against Pakistan, the viewership in the online was 2.5 crores. 2.5 crore people were watching online on Hotstar website. And yesterday also around 90 lakhs were watching on online website. So imagine the craze for the match, and you have just let whole nation down, man. This is not acceptable.